So, what do we have here? Whoa! Whoa! A promoter? I don't want to work outside. No way!
Hey, what are you doing? Advertisements?
Oh, Sue, keep quiet. I'm looking for a
Sorry.
part-time job. A tutor. Well, 2 plus 2 equals, it's me who needs a tutor.
Well, what do you like to do?
Well, I like to play with Barbie dolls and also tasty things.
I know! You can start cooking mini food for the dolls!
Come on, is that even a thing?
It is! Come with me, I'll teach you a couple of tricks.
Okay. Before we start, it's nice to have a break for a snack.
Later, Sam. We need those for our first dish.
Oh, come on, can I have just one, please?
But our dolls had none yet.
Wait, so they're getting chips and I get chips holes? Ew!
Hey, don't throw food. You'll eat soon. Be patient.
Typical Sue.
First comes the craft, then everything else.
And all is ready. I better try it first.
Hey, no way! If I can't eat chips, you can't either. Give me this.
But they can. Our dolls will be the tasters.
Drum roll, it's time to try the chips.
Oh, that is so good. Just a few chips left. How come? And I want some soda. Do you have some? I want too. Don't rush. This was just a snack. We have other things for you.
It's time to take care of other dishes. But we need a smaller sausage. Oh, we can cook this on a campfire. And here it is.
You can search for a fire and I'll use a frying pan. Huh?
We're gonna add some oil so the food won't burn.
Right you are. The dolls want round and perfect sunny side up egg.
How do you know that? When did you ask them?
I don't have to. I know everything about them.
Oh, I got it. By the way, our fried egg is ready.
But we need to fry the sausages too. It's best for breakfast, you know. Do you remember how you burned them while talking on the phone?
I do, but you promised you won't tell anyone.
Sorry. Guys, you didn't hear anything.
I think our sausages need some tomato ketchup.
And we need 2 plates.
Dear guests, here's your breakfast. Enjoy your meal.
That was delicious. I guess they liked everything. And I kinda got hungry too.
Oh, Sue, don't be like that. Our dolls want these cookies too.
Okay, I'll share. Oh, my precious cookies.
You know, I have a great idea. Let's make a mini version for our dolls. Here, we're gonna need the filling later.
Oh, I got it. Put the cookies in here. I'll crush them now. I know a special dance. Sammy taught me. It helps crushing anything. We just need to mix everything to make a homogeneous mass.
Okay, I'm putting on the gloves. So, shall we proceed? We can shape the cookies now, like this.
Don't forget about the filling. It's the most important thing here.
Oh, I won't argue with that.
And I can do this. And we'll have enough cookies for everyone. I even prepared the packaging.
Yeah, I remember that you like to prepare everything in advance.
Sure, we mustn't make the dolls wait.
Okay, let our dolls try it. Oh, so tasty.
Oh, sorry, I'm such a mess.
It's okay, I'll fix it now.
I guess they really liked it.
Hey, I want one too. What? Did you eat everything? Ugh. Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be back in a second.
So Sammy once showed me a trick. Abracadabra.
Yay, it's a fondue set! We can cook so many things on it!
I don't get it. Something must have went wrong with the trick.
Oh, nothing's wrong. We'll cook something very special. I have what we need right here.
Okay, I trust you. You're the expert in doll food already.
We'll start with milk.
I think I know what it is, but I won't tell.
Let it be a surprise for our viewers and the dolls as well.
And here's another surprise. Hop, and the candle is burning.
Now we need to cool this down. We'll use another bowl. We did it. Woof! It's ready!
Now let me.
Huh?
I'm more careful. Hop, and the souffle is ready for the decor.
I'll take care of it. I learned from the best YouTube bloggers.
Sure thing. Go ahead.
Oh, the chocolate looks so beautiful. I want a chocolate fountain.
First, we need to finish with the souffle decor.
Dear guests, we proudly present to you our souffle.
Can I take some of this souffle to go? I like it too. Is there anything else?
Yay, the dolls approve. And I came up with a new trick. Sue, can you help me?
Why, sure. Dum-da-da-dum.
And let's see what we've got.
They look like teeny tiny funny shoes.
No, Sue. These are cupcake molds.
While you're whisking the egg, I'll take care of butter and sugar. Now let's add your mixture to mine. Working together makes us a great team.
This and also the recipe that I found on the internet. Now we need to mix everything up. What? Oh, now that's better. Let's get started.
I'd better learn how to fold the napkins properly for your posh restaurant.
No, Sue, I can't do without you here.
Of course I'll help. I already have everything we might need. Vanilla sugar, salt, and baking powder.
Just one final ingredient and our mixture is ready.
Now I'll show you how to put this mixture in the molds easily.
But first, we need to apply some vegetable oil, like this. Who wants some hand moisturizing?
Quit it, we're doing serious business here.
I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow!
Oh, you and your tricks again. I'm gonna go bake this.
Hello, my dear subscribers. Today we're cooking the meal for the
Hey,
best.
vlogger, don't make the dolls wait.
Aw.
Let's decorate.
Oh, this is my cup of tea. I love decorating everything.
Hurry up. I'm placing the napkins already.
Here are the cupcakes. Enjoy your meal.
These are delicious. Unbelievably tasty. I'll take this. No way. I also want more cupcakes. No.
They liked it so much. I'll finish this and we'll proceed. Friends, now we'll make a real magical potion. Oh,
Your potion doesn't look scary at all.
whatever. Normal cooking is also cool.
And it's more fun to cook together, right, sister? Let me add the preheated milk to your gelatin. But the color doesn't look good. Let's make it red.
No, I've already chosen the green color for this dish. Oh, our masterpiece will be blue.
Awesome, but we almost forgot about sugar. I'll add it now. Like this. And a couple of more spoons.
We'll place the mixture in a better mold. Not this, Sue. This one. Now I'll divide the food into portions. Look! It's time to add some cute heart-shaped toppings.
Ladies, this is a compliment from our chef. Oh my feta, this is delicious! Phew, I'm full. We'll have the bell now. Hey, don't rush. Maybe they have something else for us.
You're right! The last dish for today will be pizza! We just need to shrink it a bit so that it fits in here. I wonder if I'll be able to cook food for people with this kind of experience.
Sam, you'll definitely do it. Hey, people, support her with your thumbs ups.
Aw, thank you, Sue. Phew, now I'm ready to proceed.
Then I'll place everything onto the parchment paper and add some ham.
I got tomatoes and bell pepper.
Tomatoes and pepper? Great!
Hey, you forgot the cheese!
And now it's time to bake our pizza with a hairdryer.
No, stop! We better use the oven for that. And here's our pizza. We'll put it into the box and deliver it to our dolls.
And the top dish of our evening, pizza.
It's very tasty.
This was magnificent. Thanks a lot. Ew, we did great today.
Yep, we're a great team.
No. Oops, sorry.
Like this, and again, and like that, and one more time.
Yep, awesome. Turn around. Let's take more pictures.
Ew, I'm kind of tired after cooking and posing.
Now time to relax. I will gather some reviews from our customers. And we'll have everything ready for your job interview.
Oh, I got something. An interview invitation. Bye-bye, Sue.
Great! And our dolls will give you the necessary references. It's the best doll chef that I've ever met so far.
You should totally hire her. You won't regret it.
Our dolls are happy. Give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye!